I have here a 15.6 portable dual monitor. So I'm gonna take the plastic off and open it up to show you what it comes with. All right, so I'm gonna open it up here. It's packaged nicely. Has some instructions here. And then we got the monitor right here. And inside here, we got some different types of cords right here. So it comes with 3 different cables. This is USB-C to USB-C. This one is USB to USB-C. This is mini display to HDMI. So this is the mini display, and this is the 2 USB-Cs. So on the back here, there are 4 VESA mounting holes that you can use if you want to mount them. So when you're not using it, it closes up nicely. So when you do want to use it, you see it opens up like this. It can be nice and flat. You can tilt it however you want. There's also a nice little stand here that you can use to help prop it up and use it that way. So on the side here, there's 2 sets of buttons. This is gonna be for the bottom screen, and this is gonna be for the top screen, and they are used independently. Now that I'm done using it, it's easy to fold up, close it up, and it's nice and flat and portable and nice and compact. So I have the single USB-C cable here, so I'm going to connect it to this laptop here, just plug it in, and we're going to see how it works. And you can see it popped up on this, and it's working really well. So now I have it set up as an extended desktop. So I have 3 independent screens going on. So it's gonna be really helpful for when I work, and I can have 3 different screens at the same time. So I opened 3 different things to show you that it really is 3 different screens. So I can have 3 different things open, so I don't have to keep going back and forth to different things. I can have them open all at the same time. To show you, these buttons are independent. I'm gonna push this, and you can see it's adjusting right here, but not down there. And if I want to do this bottom one, I click over here, and now this one is adjusting. So you also can adjust the menu independently too. And then if I click the top one, we'll do the same, and you can scroll through it however you want. So you can adjust things how you want for each screen. So when you're done, just unplug it, and it will just all go back to that computer here, and then I can close it up. It's nice and compact, and I can put it somewhere nice and small. So this 15.6 dual monitor is super nice. It's nice and portable, super easy to use with just 1 cable. It sets up really fast, really easy, and you can have multiple screens really easy. So I'd recommend it to anyone that works with computers and needs more screens. This is an easy way to do it without having a big computer to use.